Alright, we are live now. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. Awesome. All right. I can see your feedback from Jean. I can see your feedback. You're welcome. Today we'll be having a great time analyzing the market. I'm sure you are ready to learn a great deal as well. Yeah, so today we'll be looking into analyzing the Euro USD. And from the market, our first approach, we want to do a top-down analysis coming from the higher time frame. Coming from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So here now we are starting out with the monthly time frame. Okay, starting out with the monthly time frame. So firstly, we need to understand what the market structure is. All right, so let me just add the text so that you can get what I'm saying. Market structure. Okay. Here we're trying to understand what the market structure is. All right, and we are able to see that on the monthly time frame, the Euro USD has been on a downward slope. Then we map out levels of support and resistance. We map out levels of support and resistance here. Map out another level of support and resistance here. Map out another level of support and resistance, as we can see it. Okay. There is a minor resistance zone at this level. There is a minor resistance zone at this level. All right, there's a minor resistance zone. Let me get something to cover it well so that we can see. All right, thank you. Good. So you can see there's a minor resistance zone within this level, and price was rejected at this level. So definitely from the higher time frame, there's a higher probability that we'll be seeing price coming to touch this level. From the higher time frame, we'll be seeing price coming to touch this level. We'll be seeing price coming to touch this level. All right, we'll see price come to touch this level before pushing back up. All right, based on what we can see here in the monthly time frame. Hope you know that if you want to be profitable as a trader, you have to trade what you see, not what you feel. Okay, you have to trade what you see, not what you feel. So what I see here is price coming to touch this level and then pushing up. I hope that's clear. I come again. For you to be profitable, you have to trade what you see, not what you feel. If somebody got that, you can drop it in the comment section. For you to be profitable, you have to trade what you see, not what you feel. So we can see here that price is being rejected at this resistance zone here and definitely coming down to touch this region. Okay, price will definitely come down to touch this region. Okay, this region, price will come to touch this region and then push up further. All right, good. Can you hear me? Good. So price is coming to touch this region, then push up further. Now, one interesting thing we need to know about top down approach is that it gives us the opportunity to weigh in on different time frames. Okay, then we go lower into lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. Going into the weekly time frame to get the clearer picture of market trends. All right, thank you very much, Jean. Yes, we have to trade what we see and not what we feel. Sometimes difficult to predict the future. So yeah, you are following, Mayo, you're following. So we can see here now, this is the weekly time frame. All right, now on the monthly time frame, we had already said price might be seen coming to this region. All right, to touch this region before going back up. Okay, might see price coming to touch this region before going back up. So what we might most likely see price do is come to touch this region. Okay, and then you might see it push up. Okay, so we might see price come to touch this region and then push up. Okay, so this makes it one interesting one. Okay, Jim is asking what is our support level for Euro USD. So as you can see here, this is our support level. Okay, this is our support level where price has a higher probability of coming to settle down, okay, before taking another move. Okay, so let me just label this. Yeah, so this is our support zone. Okay, good. So my C price coming to touch this place, the high probability the price will come and touch this place. Okay, and if when price comes to touch this place, then it would keep moving up. All right, now, but when we look at this weekly time frame, we definitely see that the second week candle before this current week was a doji. Okay, was a doji. Sorry, a pin bar rather. I'll rather call it a pin bar, a bullish pin bar. All right, at these support regions. All right, and we can see similarly well that when price is rejected at this support region, there are great prospects for a bull market. Okay, so when we now look at this now, we can see that we are having that pushback. We are seeing that buy pressure coming in on Euro USD. Can you see the buy pressure coming in? We saw that similar thing played out at this level. Okay, when buy pressure came in and price moved up, we saw it played out at this level when a doji was formed and buy pressure was on the market, and we saw how the market moved. Okay, Now, if this buy pressure is sustained from this level, we can also see Euro USD move from this level up to this level. All right, we can definitely see Euro USD move from this level up until this level. All right, and that's one of the things that looking into multiple time frames, all right, or using a top-down approach would help us to see and discover. So this is on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. Good. So now we can see that on the daily time frame, okay, price is creating that wave-like movement, okay, that wave-like pattern. All right, you can see it here. Okay, so from this level now, we can also see that the third candle before the current candle is a bearish engulfing candle. The third candle before the current candle is a bearish engulfing candle, which has signaled a sell pressure that is coming in. So looking at a top-down approach now, we are able to see what is happening at the most recent time. Okay, what is happening with the most recent events. So you can see here that the daily time frame is already showing us that 3 days ago, okay, there was a sell pressure that engulfs the previous market movement that was already going up. As we can see, this candle here now is a full-bodied bearish candle and should not be ignored. Okay, it should not be ignored. So, and because we cannot ignore it, all right, we mark this level as a resistance zone. Okay, because that level has already acted as key supports. You can see it here, has acted as key supports. Okay, so we can see the same here now. Market has broken out of that key support zone. Now the key support zone has become a key resistance zone, and that is why even with this bullish candle that has come to be formed here, okay, we can see that there are sell pressure coming in. Let me zoom in so we can see clearly. Can you see that there are sell pressure coming in? Okay, you can see sell pressure coming. This was the candle I'm talking about, you know, fully bodied candle coming down to engulf the previous little bullish movement. Okay, closing all the buy orders below, and now we saw that price now, of course, went back for a retracement, and definitely the retracement was greeted with a resistance, and that's what we are seeing this week. Okay, losing its body. All right, we are seeing this week losing its body. We call it the sell pressure. There are sell pressure coming in. There are sell orders here, all right, that have been triggered. Okay, We've seen sell pressure that have been triggered. So right from here now, we'll be expecting price to move downwards. Okay, so right from here, we short the market. All right, we short the market. We take a sell at 1.07599. We put our take profit at our TP at 1.04898. And then we put our SL, our take profit, at the next resistance zone. Okay, you can just put our take profit somewhere here. Yes, put our take profit somewhere at 1.08979. Okay, and that's it. So from here we decide to short the market down. All right, you can take profit at any level here, but then this would be our target level and this would be our exit in terms of stop loss. Okay, stop loss level, take profit level. So to make it more clearer, let me see this. Yeah, we're shorting from here down here, and our stop loss is here. Perfect. And that makes it interesting. Does it? Yeah. I hope you are following. If you are following, type following in the comment section. If you are following, type following in the comment section. If you are following, type following in the comment section. Okay. Good. So we look to sell the Euro USD. All right. If you are following, type following in the comment section. I would love to know you're following. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Awesome. Jean said following. Awesome. Ugochukwu. Awesome. I see you. If you are following, type following. Let's learn together. So this is just to map out. It's not necessary, right? So this is just to map out, like, okay, this is your target level and this is your take profit level. So it doesn't mean anything, all right? It doesn't mean anything peculiar. You can find it on TradingView, all right? Good. Let me just take it off, okay? It doesn't mean anything peculiar, so it doesn't distract you. So here is our stop loss level, here is our take profit level, here is our entry level. All right, I see you, Alias, I see you, Rafba, I see you, yeah, I see you all following. I see you following. Awesome. All right, let's take a moment also to have a quick analysis on USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. Awesome. Now let's look at the USD JPY on the monthly time frame. Okay, USD JPY. Let's look at USD JPY on the monthly time frame. Now, interestingly, you discover that the market of USD JPY has been an interesting one. Okay, right from 2021. Okay, the dollar has been gaining so much strength against the Japanese yen, and the Japanese yen currency has experienced um, you know, a loss of 50%, of its value to the dollar. Okay. Now, so let's map this out. This is the USD on a monthly time frame. So let's map out the levels of support and resistance. Okay, levels of support and resistance on this. Okay, there. Okay, so let's highlight key levels. Key levels. Start key levels. So this is a monthly time frame. So a bulk of the information we need are on the recent market moves here. Okay, now let's go down to the weekly time frame. So here we also map out levels of support and resistance here. So key levels. Okay. Also all-time high. You can see these levels are all-time high levels. Okay, so we are here now. If you look at it during the monthly time frame now, you discover that this has been like one of the all-time highs, okay, of Euro USD from, okay, that experienced this same level in the 90s, all right, and also experienced the same level in 1998. Okay, so price is at a level where it has not been in decades. All right, in decades. So it's every of these levels are very key levels to watch. And one interesting thing we also want to look at is price reaction when price got to those levels too. All right, what was price reaction when price got to those levels? All right, the price just keeps going up, or there was a serious market downturn. So here is it now. Now if you look closely, that when price got to a height it has never been before in a long time, what happens? It falls. All right, and then when price got to this level where it has not been in years, what happened? It falls. All right, now if you now look at the most recent one now, when price got to where it has not gotten to in years, what did it do? Yeah, it falls. Okay, when price got to this level again, it retraced back down to this level, and we can see price already going back to this same level. Now there are two things that can happen, and we are going to look at that when we take our next step into the next time frame, okay, which is the weekly time frame. Now when you look at the weekly time frame here now, the weekly time frame is giving us a very clear picture of investors and traders decision, okay, because now there is more interest in the US dollar than in the Japanese yen. All right, and that is why you are seeing price, continuously going up. Now, what would price do when price gets to this resistance zone, which has always been a point of rejection for price? When you look at it here, a point of rejection. When you look at it here, another point of rejection. So would price also reject from this level when price gets to this level? Okay, and what should you as a trader do now to position yourself? So we can see that price is heading up. Okay, now price is heading up to this zone. Okay, if you are an intraday trader, you can definitely look at taking a buy position here. You can definitely look at taking a buy position at this level. All right, as you can see, taking a buy position at this level. I'm looking at taking a buy position at this level. Okay, and exiting at this level. That's for intraday trader. Okay, it's going to be a short run. All right, exiting at this level would be best. While you watch if market will break out of this level, retrace back and keep moving up, or market will turn back again downward. Okay, but for the short run, intraday trader, sniper, who wants to leverage on the short term market opportunity, you can buy from this level. So for short term traders now, there's a buy opportunity at 150.123 price, and a TP at 151.960, and a stop loss would just be below here. Okay, and a stop loss at 149. Okay, SL 149.003. okay, and that's it. All right, so this is what we are targeting at present. This is our target level. All right, this is our target level. Let me know if this is clear. Let me know if this is clear in the comment section. For those who are looking to catch in on short-term price movement, this is an opportunity for you. Enter here, exit here, you'll take profit. You can also exit if the market goes against you with your stop loss level here. Now let's go down to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, the 4 hours time frame, right? Now we can see that in the 4 hours time frame now, market has closed with a bullish pin bar. Okay, market has closed with a bullish pin bar on this support zone. Okay, it only gives one indication that the buy momentum is coming in. So when you see market closes with a bullish pin bar at a support zone, that is just giving one signal, one major signal: buy momentum. Okay, buy momentum. So when you look at what price did here, observe these levels. Okay, observe these levels that I'm marking out now. Observe these levels. Okay, now you will discover that at this level now, you can see how price rejected up here and then the buy momentum came in. And at this level also, we can see this pin bar here. Okay, reflection of this pin bar, and then you see the buy momentum coming. All right, and when you look up closer here as well, you see another pin bar here signaling buy momentum. And right now we are seeing another pin bar sitting right on a support zone. Okay, that's giving us a short term run, a short term buy run. okay, a short-term buy up to this level. All right, it's advisable you exit once the take profit level is hit at this level, and watch what price will do from this level, except you are willing to hold or edge your trade, and see if price will keep going up, up onto this level. But then there is a higher probability that price would be rejected from this level. Even if it gets here, it will be rejected. And when price is rejected now from that level, there's a higher probability that price would come down, if it's from here, come down to touch this level. Okay, it's probability that price will come down to touch this level. Can you see that? And that's it. All right, that's it. So your short time buy run is here, the target is here, and then once price gets into this support zone, into this resistance zone, be wary of buying. All right, be wary of buying, because the higher probability of selling would be heavier and would be more when price gets to this resistance zone. Okay, and I hope you guys have really grasped a lot of insight from what I have shared today. I want you guys to do something before we call it a day. Please do well to smash on the subscription button and tap on the notification bell to be the first to always be informed about every of our webinar at Octa. Octa is committed to giving you sound knowledge and education and insight into how to trade, how to be a profitable trader, how to stay on top of your game. So I want to welcome each and every one of you who have joined us today to do well to smash the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell. Awesome. I can see two people saying check gold, check gold, check gold, check gold. All right, so let's do a quick stop buy at gold. Okay, so a quick one from the monthly time frame. Yeah, we can see that gold has experienced some very interesting ride from has experienced some very interesting ride from the year 2020 to 2021, and we can see that there are levels that we need to observe. We have levels here, we have another level here, we have another level here. Now, what makes these levels very significant? Okay, what makes these levels very, very significant is so these are key levels. So we can see that on the monthly time frame here, the gold has broken out of a major resistance zone. All right, yeah, the gold has broken out of a major resistance zone, and now price has pushed up. Okay, broken out, and after every breakout, okay, there is this ideology I have that after every breakout there are 80% chances of a pullback. 80% chances of a pullback. So when price breaks out of here, okay, now you can see that price came back to retrace to test that level at which it has broken out from, and having touched that level now, price is how do I put it now? Price is picking up a bit. Now let's go down to the lower time frame to see what exactly price is doing at that level. Good. So you can see now that at this level where price had broken out from, price came and retraced, and then there are rejection candles coming in. Now what this signals here is a buy signal on gold. All right, now your take profit will be the next resistance zone, okay, which is here, and your stop loss will be the closest support zone. Okay, your closest support zone, which is here. Now don't forget, this is a weekly time frame, so this is only recommended if you are holding the trade for a longer time. All right, however, if you are looking to for a short-term trade, then you want to go down to the daily time frame to see what exactly price is doing. Now we can see now that it's now clear to us that gold, you can see that right now we can see a doji on a support level, all right, now indicating price reversal or trend reversal. Okay, now a doji on a support level indicating what? Trend reversal. So this is like saying that we might see price push up for some time, okay, either up to this level, because this also looks like the closest resistance zone. From here we have one here, we have let me just do this. We have one here, we have another one here, okay, yeah, we have another one up here. Okay, so we might just see price come to touch this next resistance zone, okay, before deciding to either move upwards or downwards. Okay, but for short-term purpose, you can then decide to buy the gold. Okay, yeah, so that's just like a quick rundown on the gold USD. Yeah, I see Jean said Octa is very helpful. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Olaoluwa. Thank you very much, Jean, for joining. I see Mayor Sunday said Octa is the best, my broker for life. Thank you very much for joining. I would love to always see you on each of our webinars as we dish out this valuable information. Thank you very much for joining, and see you in our next section. Bye, guys.